What if I told you you can make money even while you sleep? Sounds fake, right? But it's true. 90% of people work all day, and the moment they sleep, their income sleeps too. But wealthy people? They sleep while their money keeps working for them. The difference isn't hard work. The difference is the system. If your money isn't working for you, you're still playing the wrong game. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to build income streams that can keep paying you even while you sleep. And trust me, if you master even one of these, your financial future can completely change. You're probably the kind of person who feels relieved if there's a little money left at the end of the month. You think, let me just keep it safe in the bank. Sounds smart, but slowly that mindset is making people poorer. Banks may give you 6 to 10% interest, but the price of food, fuel, rent, and daily essentials keeps rising faster every year. That means your money isn't really growing, it's losing value. No matter how hard you work, this system slowly drains people who only save money instead of investing it. But don't worry, today I'll show you smarter ways to make your money grow. Number 1. Real estate. The population keeps growing, but land doesn't. Demand rises, supply stays limited, and prices go up over time. And no, you don't need millions to start anymore. Today, you can invest in REITs, basically owning a small piece of large real estate properties while earning income like rent. Number 2. Gold. Gold has held value for centuries. Currencies can crash, economies can fail, but gold always survives. Just don't make the mistake of buying expensive jewelry as an investment, because making charges eat away a huge percentage. Smarter options are gold bars, coins, or digital gold. Number 3. Skills. This is the one asset nobody can take from you. Markets can crash, companies can shut down, but if you have valuable skills, you'll never stay broke for long. Video editing, coding, digital marketing, copywriting, these skills can pay you for life. Expensive phones empty your pockets, skills fill them. Number 4. The stock market. People call it gambling, but only when they don't understand it. If you don't want high risk, start with index funds like the S&P 500 or other long-term investments. Historically, the market has outperformed regular bank savings over time. The key is simple: stop thinking short-term. Number 5. Digital content. Right now, you're watching this video, and content creators are making money from it. That's called passive income. YouTube, Instagram, blogs, online courses. All you need to start is a phone, internet, and one good idea. Stay consistent for 6 months, and results can start changing your life. The biggest mistake? Keeping all your money in the bank. Banks are only for emergency funds, daily expenses, and short-term needs. The rest of your money should be put to work. Here's the simple roadmap. Track your expenses. Save at least 10% every month. Invest in skills first. Learn about investing. Start creating content. Stay patient, because the final truth is this: school teaches people how to work for money, but the rich learn how to make money work for them.